everyone, welcome to the Heath Street Minute. 1 minute of knowledge coming at you. Today, we are highlighting two popular machines in the modern maker's shop, the CNC and the 3D printer. Now, to the untrained eye, these two machines have nothing in common. One spins steel cutters at high speeds and turns wood into sawdust, while the other gently melts colored plastic into pretty little knickknacks and doodads. But they actually do have some similarities. They both utilize a 3-axis system, which allows them to move in 3 dimensions. They both require a computer to instruct them, CAD software to design their files, etc. But there's one key difference between these two. One takes material away, and the other adds it. You see, a CNC utilizes what's called subtractive machining, meaning you start with a block of material like wood, and you remove material to get your final design. Whereas a 3D printer uses additive machining, where it literally adds material on top of itself to build up the design.